verifying the mark.
Where's the
Push
down?
it that way.
I don't know where it's
Keep
at.
going. Keep pushing it. There you go. Right there.
Is that the
Let it go
road?
straight.
that
Oh my
the
God.
road?
Yeah, you went the right way. She's driving a 45,000 pound tanker.
Are you going to trust me to stand out there while I'm driving this thing down the
You're
road?
gonna go real slow. It'll be real fine.
Shit, Mark. Crazy. I'm scared.
Don't touch no other buttons.
I'm not.
All right. Bring it back toward me a little.
Straight down, right?
Yeah, bring it back toward me. You can do it. Right there. You want to run over? You want to run over that bush?
That one?
Yeah, you're good right here. Just make sure you go down it straight.
Straight.
Yes. Bring it toward me just a hair. Little more. Right there. When you get closer, you can turn the rabbit down or use your foot. I turn the rabbit down. Not now.
So you trying to use it as a brake?
When I'll drive it.
Trying to use it as a brake? The rabbit?
It's a little steep. I'm going to give you some dirt. Trees going off the cliffside. I'm so scary. Uncle Albert. Remember, I got to just hit that pedal if there's a problem, okay? Pick it up.
At the door.
Dadgum piece of shit. Hold on. Put the brake on. Reverse. Will you get that out of my hand? I feel like I'm